everybody, my name is Leo Valdez and I am the owner of National Best Credit Solutions. I want to explain to you guys how the credit repair process works. So it is not a quick fix that's going to happen overnight. It does take time. It's kind of like gaining weight. It's easy to gain, it's hard to lose. Same thing with your credit repair. It's not an overnight fix. Our job here is to help you get items removed off of your credit report, and then we credit coach you on what you need to do while you're in the credit repair process. It's very important that you get a reputable company, whether it's us or another company, to help you along the way. It does take work for you on your end as well. There's certain things that you would have to follow, such as no late payments, for instance, and so much more. For more questions on the credit repair process, or if you just want more information, feel free to reach out to us. Once again, my name is Leo Valdez and I am the owner of National Best Credit Solutions.